Watch Trump signs GOP tax bill into law in surprise ceremony. President Donald Trump signed Republicans' tax reform bill into law Friday, solidifying the president's first major legislative victory of 2017. The president said Friday he was originally waiting to sign the bill after New Year's, but he decided to expedite the signing after media outlets questioned the timing. House and Senate Republicans passed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act Wednesday. The bill Trump signed Friday is an amalgamation of the previously passed House and Senate bills. Instead of shrinking the number of tax brackets from 7 down to 4, as Trump campaigned for in 2016, the bill includes 7 brackets with stratified rates for income earners. The lowest income earners, under the Republican bill, will pay 10% and the highest income earners will pay 37%. All of the tax breaks for individuals expire in 2026. The bill doubles the standard deduction, which could be a political boost for Republicans in 2018 since most taxpayers take advantage of that feature. Those who itemize their deductions, like taxpayers in New York and California, could see their overall tax bill rise. Middle-income households are expected to get an almost immediate boon. The Joint Committee on Taxation released analysis Monday evening that expects middle-income households will get $61 billion in tax cuts in 2019 alone. The top 1% of filers can also expect $61 billion in tax cuts that year. It cuts the rates for the majority of American businesses, permanently lowers the corporate income tax rate to 21% and solidifies a rate for corporations to repatriate capital from overseas. One caveat is that the Republican plan barely touches a loophole in the tax code that exclusively benefits billionaire investors. The loophole, known as carried interest, effectively ensures that a home builder or other local business person would pay a higher tax rate on their income than a Wall Street hedge fund manager would pay even on a larger income. Republicans kept the loophole in place but changed it such that investors have to hold an investment for at least 3 years to receive the lower tax rate. House lawmakers were not able to close all of the tax breaks and deductions they nixed in their original proposal. The bill keeps tax-free tuition waivers for graduate students, allows filers to deduct interest on student loans and keeps a number of other favored breaks. The bill is expected to raise the federal deficit roughly $1.46 trillion over the next decade, a figure that has caused a great deal of backlash from Democrats and the public. Another feature of the legislation that is drawing flack from Democrats is the repeal of Obamacare's individual mandate. The mandate is one of the least popular features of the Affordable Care Act, and nearly every Republican push to repeal and replace Obamacare in 2017 included a full repeal. A version of this article appeared on the Daily Caller News Foundation website. It has been edited slightly for clarity.